Merry Christmas everyone and a happy 2025 New Year to everyone. Hazel's Emporium here. Welcome to Hazel's Emporium. And for today's video everyone, I will be doing an unboxing. This is a new company named
Shakape.
Thank you so much for reaching out and they gave this product to me for free. I did not spend not even a dime in this product. Of course, in exchange of my video. So I'll be doing this now and I will do an unboxing. And the most important exciting moment is my try on outdoor. Okay, so prior to that, I want to give you a very quick information about this company. This is another Replica Store Online in the market. So we know Replica Store Online in the market, isn't it? Interesting, because I do love shopping Replica Store in the market. I'm just being practical. Inflation is our big time so much, and if that helps a lot to save more money to put food on my table, I don't really mind doing that. But as I've said, this is all my opinion. It's all up to you guys to decide at the end of the day. It's all your discretion, okay? So a little quick side to what product are they selling into market. So these are some samples. Pretty good deal, right? Bags, accessories. So D carries this kind of product too. Okay, so I will put all the link and information below in this company. Please go check online, guys. Okay, you deserve a gift to yourself. I always said this all the time. Okay, you work hard so much, so give a gift to yourself. It does feels great though. Alright, so let's begin the unboxing. Please see me more in my unboxing and in my try on outdoor. Thank you advance.
Today, okay, I can't really wait to open up this. I am so excited. It is Christmas. It is about time to give a gift for yourself. So let's begin unboxing in this. Okay. Ta-da-dang! This is exciting. Okay, thank you so much for this HC copy for giving this. This is a gift, free stuff from them in exchange of my video. Okay, so this is classic though. Let's take this off. Okay, wow, look at that. So I got one small card pocket, and the material feels like a gamosa. Oh, smells good really. And I got this one here. Oh, looks fancy. What do you say? Okay, put this. The other one. So I believe this one is here. Okay. And I got the other one here. All right. Oh, sorry. All right. Okay. So let's check the product very closely. I'd like the hard handle though. Seems very good material. And let's take this off, okay? Oh, look at that. Lock is this way, okay? Other than that, we will find out how is this. Oh, I like the material. Hard kind of leather. Hard, soft, not too hard, and it's not too soft too. So let's check the material closely. I don't see any out of line stitches. Everything is in the right place. Let me check that. Yeah. And look at that. Looks fancy, isn't it? And it's classic though. Looks antique. You know. It's very beautiful. Ah, I can't hardly wait to try this outdoor. Let's check the inside again. I can have my kind of rectangular wallet here, and of course my phone and cards and keys. Yeah, this is pretty good for dinner, lunch date, you know, that kind of event. Especially now is Christmas. There must be a lot of dinner to go here. So this is really good. Even though it is not Christmas, this is pretty good in all occasion. Very special occasion, you know. So what do you say? Thank you so much for this.
And so, gorgeous. Classic. Oh my God. This is just so beautiful, isn't it? Very beautiful. What do you say? Tongue-tied? I was too when I opened this. So let's double check inside. Everything is really in great shape. Okay. So there is one for a little card inside, and huge though. I can have my rectangular wallet here, phone, and a little purse of, you know, women, you know, that kind of stuff. So let's check. Everything is in line. I don't see out of line stitches in this purse. And oh my God, smells so good. Really, like a leather one. I mean, like a real one, not leather. Sorry, the material is like a gamosa inside. It just feels so good. The material is great. And look at this. Or is my camera here? So look at that. So there is this hole or handle to clip in on this. Okay. And yeah. So you can put this like that, and you can also hold like this. What do you say? And the lock goes like this. Okay, let me demonstrate. Okay, so there is the lock. Okay, just, and there you go. Okay, beautiful, no? I really like it. I love it. Thank you so much for this. I can't really wait to try this outdoor. A gift to yourself, guys. It's about time. So please go check your website down below in my description. Okay? You won't regret. Really. So here, final look. Isn't it beautiful? Right? So let's do the try on outdoor to this. Please see me more. Thank you.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every seed's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so